Putang ina mo. Okay, weird approach. Wait. I'm returning from home and there's been this thing following me. Wow, that's us? Sorry, di ko kaya maglaro ng mga ng mga, yung mga realistic game. Like, horror realistic game. Oh, laki. Also, the game called Pretend It's Not There, so yeah. Monster, can you see me? It walk away. Okay. I hope that by pretending not to see it, it wouldn't follow me home. Right. Walang settings. Okay. I won't look. Ang blur ng game. Ang blur ng game. Grabe pag pupunta nito. Dito? No? Saan? Dito? Men, katakot men. Oh. There is a note. E-read. Dear Lucas, I hope you had a great day at school. I won't be home late because of work. I left some pizza slices in the fridge if you are hungry. You just need to heat up in the microwave. Don't forget to do your homework and pick up the toys you left scattered around the house. Make sure to leave them in your toilet box in your room. Love you lots. With love, Mom. Okay. Gulat naman ako sa cutscene. Okay. Ang gagawin dito mga watlings. Yun, ano yun? Ba't biglaan? Okay. I have to pretend I don't see him, but by not looking at it, that might be the only way for it to go away. Okay, I need to go with my homework. Whoop! Five 54 plus 23. 54 70. Wait, 54 77. 27 30. 40 50 52. 45 minus 18. Wait, calculator ko na nga lang.
5 minutes later.
7, okay, 8. Diba? Basic. Jesus. Walang calculator yan.
Huh?
Ayop. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Microwave. Ba't mo tinatapon? Microwave daw eh. Oh. Lock. Insyo. Insyo ba yun? Sa likod lang siya. Like damn. Okay. Like damn insyo. Napaka-unrealistic. Where should I eat? Okay. Where should I eat? Dito? Dito. Okay. Then what should I do? Awala muna. Putang ina mo. Andyan na pala siya. Ayop. Okay, speedrun. Ba't ka kasi andun? Huwag ka dun. Huwag ka dun. Ay, huwag ka dun. Wala. Okay. Fudge. Shit. Paano ko kakain yan? Okay, dito. Grabe. Okay. Pretend I don't see it. Because it's bad. Okay. Pretend I don't see it. Ano naman?
5 minutes later.
Wait, teka. Mas basic. Let's scattered twice. Grabe naman yun. Let's take it. Grabe yan. Okay, thank you. Okay, dito. Ikot tayo. Takot sa kanya. Grabe yun ah. Tapos, maybe if I sleep, it will go away and I will realize it was all in my head. There's someone knocking at my door. No, just go to sleep. Fudge cheese. Napaka-disturbing. Oh, look at us, they're there. I forgot the keys. Can you open the door, please? Maybe no. Okay, let's open the door. Hi, Lucas, Mom. Sorry for waking up. I have to stop forgetting the key. Anyways, I arrived late because I had to cover a colleague shift. Did you do the things I asked you in the note? Oh, fudge. Wow, napaka-brutal. Can you see me? No, I can't. Can't. Okay. Oh no. Ako na yung monster. Can you see me? Okay. Okay, another victim. Naka-blue yung ano eh. Yung anak kanina. The game made by Tree Long. Okay, thank you sa'yo. Thank you for playing. Yes. Oh my god. This is, mga ating, dito na natapos yung ating pretend it's not there para game. So, thank you mga audience. See you to the next video. Sorry, wala akong upload. Because busy ako. Yeah, busy ako. And so, thank you for watching mga audience. So, kapanin ka natin yung video mga audience. So, see you to the next. Bye!